Let's take a look at this calm, beautiful riverbank. To really feel like we're there, I need your help. Can you make a gentle, bubbling water sound with your mouth? Blup, blup, blup. Now blow out a soft breath of air to make the wind. Whoosh. Great job. Now look way up on that branch. Sitting perfectly still is a very hungry bird called a kingfisher. He has a big problem. The kingfisher is high up in the air, but his lunch, a little silver fish, is swimming deep underwater. He doesn't have a fishing pole or a net to reach down and grab it. Watch closely now. Whoa, did you see that? It was just a blurry flash of blue and orange. That happened way too fast for our human eyes to follow. To see how this works, we have to pause the clock, slow down time, and look at the physical changes the bird makes while he's falling through the sky. Let's freeze time right before he jumps. The kingfisher is staring super hard at the water. Normally, the top of a river acts exactly like a giant mirror. The sun shines on it and makes a bright glare, which hides all the fish underneath. This diagram shows how he beats the glare. Light bounces off the water, but his eyes have special oils, letting him see right through. Water also bends light, shifting the fish's appearance. The kingfisher's brain automatically pinpoints the true target. Put your hands over your eyes like you are looking through binoculars. Make a scanning radar sound. Beep, 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 boop. You've got him. Pinpointing the target is the very first step. Now it's time to fall. The bird steps off the branch and starts falling toward the river. Right away, the wind starts rushing up against him. Think about a fluffy bird with its wings out. Those feathers catch the air like a big open parachute, slowing him down way too much. To fix this, he tucks his wings perfectly flat against his body. He squeezes tight until he turns into a smooth, falling dart. This dart shape lets the bird slice right through the wind without any air dragging him back. This keeps him moving at top speed. Try it with me. Make your whole body super stiff and straight like a dart, and make your loudest rushing wind sound. Whoosh! A fish can sense movement in the water very quickly, but this bird is now dropping at nearly 25 miles per hour. By changing his shape, he becomes so fast that when his shadow hits the water, he's already there before the fish reacts. We are now one tiny millisecond away. The very tip of the bird's beak is about to touch the river. Water has a special secret. The top layer acts like a tight, invisible skin. If you hit it with something flat, like doing a belly flop, it makes a giant, noisy splash in the water. Left, a flat object smashes the water skin, making a huge splash. Right, the beak is shaped like a sharp needle, built to part that skin instead of slapping it. It slides in silently, so the fish hears nothing until the beak closes. Hold your hands out in front of you like a long beak. Ready? 1, 2, 3, snap! By using a beak that parts the water rather than hitting it, the bird turns a loud crash into a quiet surprise. He bursts back up through the water's surface, and right there in his sharp beak is his silver prize. Let's watch that extremely fast 1-second blur from the very beginning one more time. Now you know the steps that were hidden inside that flash of color. The next time you are near a river, keep your eyes peeled. There are amazing things happening in nature that are just too fast to see unless you know what to look for. Let's do our final move together. Make your stiff dart shape, do the wind rush, and give me a loud snap. Whoosh! Snap. Great fishing, everyone!